In this week's lesson, we are going to look at some more advanced options in Illustrator, those being the transparency panel, the recolor artwork, effects, and graphic styles. I wanted to point out where to locate those. Under the window menu, we'll find the transparency panel if you don't have it open already. The transparency panel has two pieces. One being the opacity, and remember, opacity is the degree to which you can see through it. So we can actually include an opacity mask. We also have blending modes, and these blending modes you may be familiar with from Photoshop. So those are ways that we can interact or blend colors when overlapped. The second thing we're going to look at in this week's lesson is recoloring artwork, and this is really a powerful tool in Illustrator. It's an advanced color manipulation. So with the recoloring artwork, we are going to use both our color panel and our swatches panel, but then we also use our color guide. And again, if you don't see color guide, you can open it up by going to the window menu and looking at this color guide. So the color guide is a way that we can play with color groups. We can choose to edit these colors and basically are allowed to play with some different harmonies, different color models, and it's a very, very fun way to change an entire color scheme on an illustration. The third thing we're going to look at are effects. So effects are located under the effects menu. It is broken into two pieces. We're going to look at the top where it actually says Illustrator Effects. These effects are basically appearance attributes. So these are things that will change the look of an object, but its the underlying structure will stay the same. And the cool thing is you can apply them and you can remove them. And we do have a panel that we'll be able to look at. The appearance panel will be able to see those effects that have been applied to a specific object. The last thing that we're going to look at are graphic styles. And again, if you don't know which panel that is, navigate to your window menu where all the panels are posted and click on graphic styles. This is a really fun way to apply presets. They're named groups or presets of appearance attributes, and we have a lot of options here. In fact, we can actually load many, many more. So those are the main key pieces with this week's lesson.